At the very beginning, a wizard flies across the sky on a broom. That wizard is Mr. Bimal, an old psychiatrist, a teacher of psychology and technology, but far more than what he seems. By night he rises silently into the clouds, riding his broom through the dark sky, sometimes drifting on a bicycle among peacocks and floating clouds. And beyond the sky he travels even further, in a mysterious spacecraft orbiting the Earth, exploring worlds unknown. By day he returns to school, organizing a magnificent science exhibition, igniting young minds with wonder and imagination. One midnight he stands on the summit of Danigala Mountain, beside a small fire, waiting in silence, as a glowing flying saucer descends from the stars. Another night, inside an abandoned ghost hostel, he walks through shadows and whispers until he encounters a strange being, a beautiful witch, hidden in the form of a bear. Between science and magic, between reality and mystery, Mr. Bimal walks a path few can see. He is not just a teacher, he is a gateway to another world.